Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Pots, Pans, and Priscilla. Today we are going to do another Bloomchic haul, so I'm super excited. Let's get into it. I am so excited that Bloomchic decided to send me all of these pieces. I haven't gotten into them, so you're seeing my in the moment real reaction, and let's see how they fit me. All right, I'm coming to find the right shoes. I am a wedge girly, so I think this is it. Oh my gosh, I love this. Okay, so I'm a fan. Very lightweight. The quality feels very good. I love the sleeves. Like, they are my favorite. They're not tight. They cover all the parts that I'm insecure about. And I just feel like this is perfect. I have a convention coming up for work, and I think this will be great for that. It has pockets, so that's always a win. I don't know if you noticed, but it has like this cute little pleat in the front, which, like I said, it's not low cut, but I like that little added design element. Just kind of dresses it up a little. I feel cute and flirty. It obviously needs to be steamed. But I mean, I like that it's not too low cut in the front, so it's more conservative. And I am wearing a size 18-20 in this, so I think it fits perfectly. And I like that it has a little belt, so it really defines the waist. I mean, does this not scream Priscilla's personality? This is me in a dress, pretty much. It's colorful, so I actually like the sleeves. They don't come out down as far as I normally like, but because they have like the cute little ruffle, it brings attention to that instead of my trouble area. I also like the hem at the bottom. It kind of breaks the dress up a little bit, and I just think that's so cute. It's another longer dress, which I love. I'm not a short dress kind of girl. Has pockets, and again, I'm in Florida, so I need something that's going to be cool, and this fabric doesn't feel cheap, but it feels good, so I love that. If you are bigger chested, I feel like it's going to be a perfect fit for you up here. It also has a button clasp at the top, so you don't have to worry about the girls just spilling out everywhere. I mean, I feel like it could either give off like barbershop quartet vibes, maybe a picnic. I'm hoping the picnic. I don't know, it's cute. I like it. It's different. It's something I don't normally wear. Do you like it? Do y'all like it? I'm a wedge girly, so I paired it with my wedges. I think it could be cute with white, like capris. I'm not a white capri kind of gal, but I know a lot of you are. But I like it. I like the sleeves. It's very feminine. I feel like fancy. I feel like I look mature. Which I don't know if that's what you want to look like when you're 43, but so let me know. I do like the buttons. Again, it's not too cleavagey. That's not a word. We're just making up words, but I do like that I don't have to worry about the boobs all the time. You know? There's a time and place. This is not it. Alrighty, next up. I'm always about the sleeves because I'm a sleeve kind of girl, I guess. I love this blouse. It does have a zipper here, so you could come down with it a little bit and still be good, which I think that's awesome. I also wanted to remind you guys, I am wearing all 18-20. So when I first started ordering from Bloomchic, I was a 22-24. I am losing weight, which some of you have noticed. So I carry a lot of my weight in obviously my butt and my hips and my thighs. I'm smaller up here, so if I were to get a 22-24 now, it would fit me great here, but be way too big here. So I know that I'm still working on that. So I'm okay with it being a little snug around my midsection because I don't think it doesn't look bad. And if I pay attention and I suck it in, or maybe get some help from Control Top anything, that would help too. So I did want to mention that. So I would say all of their clothes that I've received so far are true to size. Because like I said, I was 22, 24. Now all of them are 18, 20. And of course I paired it with another wedge because that's my go-to. This is like my mom uniform, I feel like. I'm starting to get a mess over here. Sorry. So Asa loves yellow on me. I feel like it's a cute color. It's not a bright yellow like I normally wear. It's a little more muted and I like that. It's very, well, it has layers. So it's very soft and it has multiple layers on the shirt. So we like that. It doesn't feel heavy, which I love. I'm in Florida, 100+ degrees and like 99% humidity. So that's nice. And I wanted to remind you guys, all of my links are down below. So you go to Bloomchic, put in my code SCILLASUE all together, and you'll get a discount as well. So I'm really liking the clothes, guys, and they're so reasonably priced. It makes me feel very feminine, and I love that. I like to be able to wear something that's more casual than I normally wear, but also put together so I can run errands and these kinds of things. And that's what I love about this. I think it would be super cute with just like a clutch and run out the door. Go grocery shopping. I mean, happy 4th of July. Okay, so fun fact. I am all about wearing an outfit for a holiday. So you could wear this for Memorial Day. You could wear it for 4th of July. You could wear it to go vote. I mean, be patriotic, guys. It's so cute. I love it. Makes me, what is that saying? You make me want a hot dog real bad. I don't know. I feel like it's classy, but still shows your patriotism. So I'm here for that. I'm gonna pair this with some sparkly red earrings. Watch me. So just imagine I'm wearing a different color top underneath, but because I think it's just too much white, I need something to make it pop. But I love this kimono. I really like that it has a little button on the front because I don't know about you, but when I wear a kimono, I'm constantly adjusting it. So I do like that. I also like the detail on the bottom. I don't know, I feel like it breaks up the patterns and it looks so cute. It has slits, so you could wear it to the beach. You could do whatever you wanted with this. I think it would look really pretty with a tank top like this mustardy color. I think that would be super cute. Some big gold earrings. I'm a fan. It's very soft. It's like satiny feeling. So let me know what you think down in the comments. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you guys like my new space. I am so excited to have this, and I would love to know, what was your favorite piece that I tried on today? Have you ever purchased anything from Bloomchic before? If not, let me know what you want to see from me. Do you like the dresses? Do you like the blouses? What do you want more of? And maybe I'll do another haul and see what we can come up with. So check those links out below. Use my code SCILLASUE to save yourself some money, and come back and see us next time. Bye guys.